Hello friends, I am Gaurav. Welcome back again to Programming Fever. Today I will show you how can you test your internet speed by using Python programming. So let's start the coding. First we will install the library for testing internet bandwidth, that is speedtest-cli. I will open my command prompt. To install the speedtest-cli, I will write pip install speedtest-cli. As you can see, the library has been installed. So after installation, first I will import speed test library, import speed test. Now I will use a speed test function and store this function in a variable, that is st equal to speed test. Now for taking input from the user, that what speed do you want to test. Basically we have three speed: download speed, upload speed and the ping time. Now we will take the input from the user, and the input is, I will assign a variable first, that is option equal to what speed. After this option equal to 1, then we will print download speed. Option equal to 2, then we will print upload speed. Again for option 3 we will use elif statement. Option equal to 3. So for option 3, first we will take server name. I will use the get function to get server name from the library. st.get server name. To print the ping time, I will use print st.results.ping. And at the last, else, please enter the correct option. This line is basically for suppose the user enter the option 4, and as you know the option 4 is not available in the input, so it will print please enter the correct option. So friends, as you can see, the output is here. I want to check download speed, so I will write 1. So here you can see the download speed of internet is this speed given in bytes. If you want to convert this speed in mbps, so what we'll do, let's see. So friends, to convert the speed in mbps, I will divide the download speed with this value 1025 into 1025. Similarly here, now I will enter the choice 1 again. So friends, the result is 9 Mbps. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.